Okay, so I'm setting this thing up, setting it down, and I need it to be level. So I don't have a level on me right now, so I'm just gonna sight it. And I can see, sighting this thing, that I'm a little high on that side. So with the skid steer, I'm gonna lift up that side slightly, just a little bit to get level. Now it doesn't have to be perfect, but you know, just by eye is good enough. Probably be good right there. Drop these guys all the way down. Let's see if I can just clear this up just a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna replace these later with, I'm gonna put some wood blocks under there. Disperse the weight a little bit. Those down. And I'm missing one in this corner. I need to make another one of these. That one got bent. Now the ultimate way to test for level is just to see how the power trolley here rolls. So let's just put these down. Something heavy just to knock that. Okie dokie. Do that same deal on the other side. The foot on this side's a little jacked up. It's a little bent, so it's gonna take some banging to get it down. Yep. Okay. Well, the trolley didn't move by itself. That's a good sign. So here we go. Whoop! What am I hitting here? Ooh. Okay. So I'll show you what's happening here. This foot needs to go further down. You can see we're hitting right there. This thing needs to be flush with the top of this. So to accomplish that, I'm just gonna get out of here. Dig the ground down a little bit. Okay. Okay, now we're nice and flush. Now we can do the roll test. Let's see how we go. So we give it a tug, let it roll, let it come to a stop in one direction, cool. Same deal in the other direction. Well, yeah, so we can see that the situation is that it's rolling too much that way, which means that I raised it up too high. So, I'm gonna lower. And I have to raise this side up just a little bit. So in order to do that, I'm gonna loosen all these guys. Loosen these guys. Loosen this guy. And now, we'll just lower the front end. Probably where it was when I got started here. See how that does. You gonna come to a stop? Not so much. That's pretty good. That rolled nice and long there. Cool. I'm going to call that good, at least for now. So I'm going to tighten all these up, and then I'm going to pop the ball out of there and get the machine out of here.